Growing older means we grow wiser, but we do lose a little bit of our thickness in our hair, and dyeing it doesn't do it any help. So I wanted to bring you guys a big notice when it comes to dyeing your hair. And if you've noticed that your hair is getting thinner, well, there's two reasons. One is because it's those harsh chemicals with the ammonias, the bleaches, and various other things. It is stripping away your natural hair color and making it brittle, snapping off the hair and making it give that thin look. Along with aging, the testosterone levels definitely get lower, and that induces some hair thinning as well. And if you guys are on some TRT or some sort of B12 injections, that's going to attribute to it too. And to combat that, we can use instant beard color from Volt, because not only do we use it on our beard, we can also use it on our hair to match the head, the beard, the eyebrows, everything in between, to give you a natural, non-thinning hair look. So with those reasons, it's really gonna play a factor in your hair thickness. Now, using instant color on your beard, your hair, your eyebrows, everywhere in between, you will keep those natural oils, you'll keep that natural hair, and you won't be stripping anything away off of your own hair. And in fact, with this instant beard color and hair color, you can actually wash it out every day and give yourself a new look instead of having those gray roots in your hair, in your beard, and everywhere else. So that's why I'd like to give you guys a recommendation on using an instant color on your hair and your beard instead of a heavy dye. And I wanna know what you guys think and if you like it, because I've been using instant color for about 3 to 4 years now, and I wouldn't go back for a single day, because I get to choose if I want that salt and pepper look or if I want to go back in time and give myself a rejuvenated look. So with that being said, you guys, I want to know what you guys think. If you guys got a shot, hit us up on Instagram. We'd love to see you before and afters. Love you guys like always, and I will see you in the next video. Have a good one.